Good morning. My name is Abhijit Sheshadri and my partner Tazmeen Dalve are here to give you an example of Genesis, the struggle for existence. So our project is mainly about growing plants on barren land. How we will do it? We have 5 methods. One is contour trenching. So contour trenching is basically making trenches on the contour lines. So when water flows from the hills, water is retained and then it flows into the soil, thereby utilizing the water to the utmost. And also the fertility of the soil also increases. The next method is mulching. So what happens is mulching is that we use the dry grasses, dry newspapers and leaves and spread it on the ground. Thereby, the soil fertility increases, vermicompost takes place, and the water evaporation also decreases. The next method is cocoon technology. In this technology, we have a bowl in which a tube is kept. Inside this tube, we have the plant with the soil. In this bowl, we have the water, and this tube has small pores. Thereby, the water will slowly flow into the tube, and it will grow the plant. So this will allow us to grow lots of plants in a minimum time. Next is rock dust. So what happens is rock dust is that we crush rocks to make them into powdered substances. These powdered substances are very useful and very important for the plant's growth. They nutrition the plants and thereby they increase the fertility value of the soil. The last is film farming. In this, what we do is we take a film which is kept between the soil and the plant. In this film, water does not flow away, and the germs do not affect the plant, thereby reducing the chances of the plant getting diseases. Our next topic is on rally for rivers. So what we propose is that we will grow plants on both sides of the rivers, thereby increasing the vegetation and also increasing the rain, thereby reviving the rivers. Our last topic is growing plants on Mars. So Mars is very similar to what we have on Earth. It is smaller in size, it has a thin atmosphere, and it also has water frozen in the north and south poles. How we will grow plants on Mars? Well, we will make a module called the HAB. This will have the same temperature, atmosphere, pressure like we do on Earth, and thereby in that we can store water, oxygen, we can stay in it, and we can even grow plants. How we will grow plants? First we will take the Martian soil and then we will grow the seeds which we have bought from Earth. Then we will water the plants by using a method in which we will create water on Mars. That is, we have 98% of carbon dioxide on Mars. So this carbon dioxide can be separated into oxygen and carbon. This oxygen will be then added with hydrogen, making H2O, which is basically water molecules. This water molecule will go into the HAB and then it will water the plants. For all this we require energy. So we will use the solar panels and the windmills. Even though the energy produced is little, but combining these two together, we can have enough energy to provide the HAB. So our main objective is to grow plants on Mars once we completely use up all the land on Earth. And for that we have to spend a little bit money. But taking into account that we spend trillions of dollars into all those nuclear waste and infrastructure and etc., using a little bit of money to grow plants on Mars is, well, a good investment.